it hits somewhere between 40 and 55. On the surface, everything looks fine. You have the job, the family, the routine. But underneath, there's this growing hum of restlessness. A feeling that the map you've been following for 20 years suddenly doesn't match the territory. We call this the midlife crisis, and society mocks it. We think of sports cars, sudden affairs, or desperate attempts to look young. But what if that restlessness isn't a character flaw? What if it's a biological necessity? Today on Wonders of Life, we're moving past the stereotypes. We are exploring the neuroscience of aging, the hormonal shifts that fog your brain. For the first half of your life, your brain is wired for acquisition, learning, striving, building, reproducing. It's fueled by high levels of dopamine and sex hormones. But around midlife, the hardware changes. Hormone levels, testosterone in men, estrogen in women, begin a significant decline. These aren't just sex hormones. They are neuroprotective chemicals that keep your brain sharp and your mood stable. When they drop, so does dopamine production, your molecule of drive and motivation. This is the biological basis of the fog. The things that used to motivate you suddenly feel empty because the chemical reward for doing them has diminished. You aren't broken. Your brain is just forcing you to slow down and reassess what actually matters. Furthermore, by our 40s and 50s, the biological bill comes due. Scientists call it inflamm-aging. It's chronic, low-grade inflammation caused by decades of stress, processed food, and lack of sleep. When your body is inflamed, it sends signals to the brain that mimic depression. It saps your energy and increases anxiety. The resilience of your 20s is gone. You can no longer power through a poor diet or chronic stress without mental consequences. The crisis is often just your body screaming that it cannot keep running on the old fuel source. If we stop here, it sounds depressing. But this biological force stop is actually an opportunity. While raw processing speed declines in midlife, another type of brain function peaks: crystallized intelligence. This is the ability to use skills, knowledge, and experience. It is pattern recognition. It is wisdom. Your brain is trying to shift from striving mode to meaning mode. The restlessness you feel is the friction of trying to live a second-half life with a first-half mindset. The midlife crisis isn't a mistake. It's a checkpoint. It's biology telling you that the old ways of operating fueled by stress and ambition alone won't work anymore. You need to lower inflammation through better food, prioritize sleep to manage hormones, and shift your focus from success to significance. Don't buy the sports car. Upgrade your biology instead. Subscribe to Wonders of Life as we explore how to navigate this transition with science. I'll see you in the next one.